Hi, Kat here with your latest tech update. Do you ever feel like your inbox is working against you and it's just too easy to miss important emails because they're buried under a pile of updates, newsletters and junk? Well, Outlook is now making life easier. There is a new priority view on Apple and Android devices. It uses Microsoft's Copilot to highlight your most important emails. So Copilot sorts your inbox into high priority and those that need replies, so the messages that matter jump out straight away. This clever feature is rolling out over the next few months, but you need a Microsoft 365 Copilot license to use it. If you like help setting that up, please get in touch. And this is your tech update. More next week.